You can actually make healthy juice with or without a juicer. Let me show you how. Today we're making two fresh juices, pineapple apple juice and watermelon juice. Let's start with the first one. Chop up your pineapple and apple into small pieces and chop up a piece or more of fresh ginger. Pineapple apple juice is packed with a lot of benefits. It aids digestion, promotes healthy skin, and strengthens the immune system. Ginger gives it that extra kick and healthy boost. Now place the chopped fruits and ginger into a blender. Add some water and blend until it's smooth. To extract the juice without a juicer, we will use a sieving cloth or a fine sieve, but I'll be showing you how to use both method. Make sure to squeeze thoroughly to get every drop of the juice out. I am sieving it again to remove any leftover. And just like that, our healthy and refreshing pineapple juice is ready without using a juicer. Now let's move to juice number 2 with a juicer. Dice your watermelon into small chunks. We are juicing it with the rinds, that is the back, to get the full nutritional benefit. Watermelon is naturally hydrating, helps digestion and reduces bloating. Super refreshing and great for your skin too. Just place the pieces in your juicer and juice away. I am now pouring the watermelon juice into its container. So simple and nourishing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really supports my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.